Let's work out some quick exam style questions step by step. Question 1. Simon saves 5% of 120 each week. How to work out 5% if it is non-calculator paper? Work out 10%. Divide 120 by 10. It will be 12 pounds. And 5% will be half. So 12 divided by 2 will be 6 pounds. Then the price of the fridge, which is 256, divided by 6 pounds. And the answer will be 42 weeks and remainder 4. So it's definitely 42 weeks is not enough to save for fridge. So Simon needs 43 weeks. 3 exam marks. Question 2. Suleiman borrows 800 pounds and pays back 5% interest over 12 months. First, let's find 5% of 800. You can divide by 10 and then by 2, or you can divide by 20. So 800 divided by 20 will be 40 pounds bank interest, 1 mark. Then let's work out the total to repay, and it is 880 pounds. Next exam mark. And the last step, 840 total, divided by 12 months, and Suleiman has to pay 70 pounds per month. Third exam mark. Question 3a. The 24th positive odd number is found by using the odd number pattern. So let's write down odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So the rule is every time add 2. Let's write down the nth term of this sequence. So if every time add 2, write down 2n. Then have a look. What should you do with these 2 to get the first number in this sequence? 1. Take away 1. So the nth term for this sequence is 2n minus 1, where n is the place of the number in this sequence. In our case, it is 24. Let's work it out. 2 times 24 minus 1. So 48 minus 1 will be 47. 2 exam marks. Question 3b. 2 consecutive odd numbers add to 112. Let the smaller odd number be x, and following odd number will be n plus 2, because if you remember from question A, the pattern is every time add 2. So what do we have? X plus 2 will be 112. Let's simplify. X and x will be 2x, still plus 2, will be 112. Simplify, get rid of 2. Its equation is always the opposite to both sides. So minus 2, and we have 2x equals 110. 2x means times, divide by 2, both sides. X equals 55. 2 exam marks. Question 4. David saves 15% of 220 pounds each week. 10% is 22 pounds and 5% is 11 pounds. So 15% will be 33 pounds. Now do 274 divided by 33. That is 8, remainder 10. So obviously 8 weeks is not enough. He needs 9 weeks. 3 exam marks. Question 5. 1 kilo of cheese costs 2 pounds 50p. Johnny buys 600 grams. If it is a calculator paper, just 250 times 0.6. We are dealing with non-calculator paper. It is 2 exam marks, 2 steps. First step, work out how much 100 grams would cost. So 250, which is 250p, divide by 10. So we get 25p per 100 grams. Now, step 2. 6, because we have 600 grams, times 25. The final answer is £1.50. Question 6. Altogether, there are 95 kilos of cement. The small sack is 45 kilos less than the large sack. Let the large sack be X, so the small sack is X minus 45. And altogether, it is 95 kilos. So first mark you get for forming the equation. X minus 45, small sack, plus X, large sack, will be 95. Simplify. X and X is 2X, minus 45 is 95. Solve the equation. The opposite, always the same to both sides. So opposite for minus 45 is plus 45, both sides. So 2x equals 140. 2x means times, opposite is divide. So divide by 2, both sides, x equals 70. That is a big sack, but the question is the small sack. So to get fourth mark, 70 minus 45 is 25. So final answer is 25 kilos. Question 7a. Using the cards 34779, the smallest 5-digit number is made by putting the digits in ascending order. That gives 34,779. Question 7b is a bit tricky because the keyword is even. For the largest 5-digit even number, the last digit must be even, so it must end in 4. Then put the remaining digits in descending order. 9, 7, 7, 3, 4. The final answer is 97,734. Question 8. Phoebe takes 2 minutes 49 seconds. You need to convert it into seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So it takes you 169 seconds. Masha takes 5 minutes 29 seconds, which is, work it out, 329 seconds. Half of 329, if you divide by 2, is 164.5 seconds. Phoebe took 169 seconds, which is more than half. So Phoebe is not right. Question 9. Convert 18 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So first of all, let's convert kilometers into meters. So we have kilo means 1,000. So we have 18,000 meters per hour. 1 minute is 60 seconds, so 60 minutes will be 60 times 60, 3,600 seconds. Now, divide 18,000 by 3,600, and the final answer will be 5 meters per second. Done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.